And today I'm going to teach you how you can extract any frame from your video using Photoshop. First of all, I'm going to open this clip from here, the one I shot two or three days ago, and make sure to open it with Photoshop. It's opening because it's a video clip, so it will take some time to open. So this window here, which is called timeline, will start to appear once you have it opened, and if it is not there, obviously you haven't opened any video. So let it open. So meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can see my video first. All right, we have the video here. You can see here is the complete video. So these are the in and out points, just like you see in Premiere Pro. You can just drag them anywhere you want to, and then whenever I will play, it will start from the in point and then it will go to the end point. So what I want to do, I want to extract somewhere from here. So what I will do, whatever I have to write the text, I will write it first. Let me show you, and make sure you just clip this one to this video clip. So press Alt and you will see this arrow which is pointing downwards. Just click here and this will be put here. So the best practice is to put the text first, because as soon as you put the text, it will go back to the very beginning. So what I want to do, I want to write something like this: I-16. So let me delete it. Aerial view. And whatever the changes I want to do, maybe I want to put a drop shadow here. So I will double click here, and these are the blending options which will open, and let's go to drop shadow. And you can see I have already selected the white color. Opacity is somewhere here, so let's decrease the opacity to 25%. Let's decrease the distance a little bit as well, and I think that's it. Okay, I have put one text here as well. So now I will play it. It will start from here. So what I can do, I can stop it somewhere, maybe here, and then I can drag my text so wherever I wanted to put. So I want to put it somewhere here where my horizon just cuts it into the half. So let's say something like this, and then I can go to save as, and I can save it as a JPEG file. So here you go. You can rename it as you like it. Okay, so this is how you will save it, and if you want to change the quality to 12%. Okay, one more thing I want to talk about. If you want to enhance this frame, so you can put adjustment layers as well. So this frame will be enhanced. Like for example, if I change the saturation to 25%, then let's say I want to add some brightness as well. So I will drag it up for it a bit, somewhere around here. So all the changes I can do on this frame, and then I can save it. Go to save as, and go to JPEG, and you can replace this file. Yes, I want to replace this file, and I can save it by any quality, maybe 10 or something like that. And here you go. You have the file somewhere here. You can see it. Here is your file. So I extracted one more file here, where I put one color lookup as well. And here's the file I just exported. I can zoom in, zoom out, I can see the whole thing and everything. So this is it, and it's a very simple technique. And do subscribe to my channel and do write down anything you want me to make a tutorial on.